Hey everyone! Today, we are going to cover 5 best kayak anchor trolleys in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is H2O Kayak Canoe Anchor Trolley Kit. A quality anchor trolley like this one doesn't need to cost a lot. This kit has a lower price rather than buying individual parts. Not to mention that it has an awesome kayak anchor pulley system composed of sturdy parts. They seem to be made of stainless steel, which is a sign of longevity. Depending on your watercraft, you may not need to utilize everything in this anchor trolley kit. In my case, I only use the circle, pulley, carabiners, and rope. These are the things that my 10-foot pedal kayak needs. You may also find zigzag cleats, nylon pad eyes, snap hooks, mounting hardware, rivets, nuts, and screws in this kit. I attach the carabiners to the small attachment points. Then the installation pulley and rope followed. Every step is easy peasy and I was able to skip drilling. I haven't encountered any problem, but my dad had once. He needed to get another set of rivets as the ones in this kit don't match larger fittings. The outcome of using this anchor trolley is uncomplicated switching of the anchor's position. If not for this trolley, I won't be so confident about anchoring. My kayak remains immovable once it's seized by the anchor even if there's current or wind. Adjustments are easily done on the bow and stern. Number 2. Our second best pick is YakAttack Kayak Anchor Trolley. This is an incredible kayak anchor trolley kit as it's an outcome of great innovation. Thus, it stands out among other anchor trolley designs. Every part particularly serves its purpose well. I can't help but be amazed at knowing how each of them functions marvelously. The LeverLock line clamp locks simply rock as it can be easily secured once you've aligned the kayak on the position you want. It's achieved by simply flipping the switch motion. I was able to retain my kayak in the safe zone over 40 feet depth of water. This lock has immensely helped me when I go fishing. It's utilized to fasten the ring. Together with the hooked line, they prevent hull slap so you can silently go fishing and stalk your target. Anchoring goes smoothly with the help of the YakAttack Stealth Kayak Anchor Pulley. Furthermore, the 35-foot, highly reflective paracord doesn't tangle as there are hooked pad eyes. It won't get in your way while in use. Several YouTube videos can guide you through installation. It was no sweat as it only takes 15 minutes to assemble hardware pieces like 2 pieces of pad hooks, harken pulleys, an anchor ring, and a locking line clamp. Number 3. Our third best pick is YakGear AK1 Deluxe Anchor Trolley Kit. Based on the product's features and functions, it is the ideal one for me among the number of kayak anchor trolley systems. What made me love this product is its contribution to positioning the anchor. Bad angles when casting no longer annoy me. Moreover, I easily change the anchor point despite the movement from the water. There are several exciting experiences I had with this trolley. The current on the river doesn't stop me from going fishing. I can even maneuver the bow of my kayak to turn into the current smoothly. My kayak can go in the direction that I want anytime. Fishing won't be fun without this trolley. I also like painting landscapes while I'm on my kayak. With this trolley's wonderful ability to stabilize a vessel, I can concentrate on my piece. The mini zigzag cleat does the trick. 2 thumbs up to this anchor trolley kit as it has everything you need. I think the instruction manual is not enough to quicken the installation and make it right. Once you watch a YakGear instructional video, you can follow the necessary steps like a pro. There are some tools that you need for connecting the parts. You may use a silicone sealant, but it's not necessary at all. Just use the correct size drill bit to make the screws watertight. See to it that you don't overdo it as too much tightness won't do good. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is YakAttack Kayak Anchor Trolley. This anchor trolley is another one I want you to look at since its operation is quiet and no noise at all. Aside from the promise of eliminating noise during usage, there are a lot of good things that I like about this trolley. This anchor trolley helps me with anchoring positions all the time. The LeverLock line clamp is awesome, a flip of a switch motion does wonder during anchoring. The trolley line is locked properly so it follows where you want to place your anchor. When you don't need to use the trolley, you just secure the anchor through the ring snaps located at the base of the lever lock. The pulley system is so smooth whether you deploy or secure the anchor. On the other hand, the pad hooks with HD options make way for easy and accurate control line placement. I can attest that the parts make anchoring effortless. Even the most inexperienced kayakers would be able to understand how it works immediately. Furthermore, fishing with a kayak is much easier and more productive with this anchor trolley. I no longer worry even if a gust of wind comes along. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is YYST Kayak Canoes Anchor Trolley Kit. A pack of this product offers the necessary parts, so it's no wonder that it can be a canoe anchor trolley system. I owe this kit a lot as I could make a lot of memories from my fishing adventures. A big applause to the craftsmanship of the person who devised this product. This trolley can effortlessly adapt to the wind so I can stay in the same spot as long as I want. Of course, I choose the place where I can catch a lot of fish. I love how I can make adjustments when the wind changes. All it takes is by pulling the cord. Then I put my concentration back to fishing. In this scenario, the line can remain in the water while my hands are off the paddle. Various parts are found in this kit just like how a good anchor trolley kit should be. There are anchor cleats and pad eyes together with screws and nuts. Nylon rings are durable while the anchor pulleys are made of stainless steel. The braided trolley line is 30 feet long. You should know that it can stretch a lot, so it needs retightening when wet. The installation is a piece of cake for everyone, even for first-timers. The instruction manual may not be necessary as it's self-explanatory. Every necessary step is simple as you complete a good trolley system for kayaks, canoes, and other small watercraft. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.